Eggs are strong and sure-footed, ideal for carrying loads across mountains. Egg milk is rich in fat and used to make butter, cheese, curd, and yogurt. Domesticated eggs are used to plow fields in mountainous farms. Their long hairs are used to make warm clothing and blankets. Egg dung is used as fuel. Eggs are the part of festivals, ritual in Tibetan and Himalayan cultures. Before modern vehicles, horses were a primary mode of transport, still used in rural areas and tourist areas. Example horses, horse carts and carriages. In army and police force, horses are used. Racing of horse is also a sport. Ginger. Medicinal uses of ginger. Relieves nausea, especially effective for morning sickness and motion sickness. Reduces inflammation. Helps with the arthritis and joint pain, improves gut health and relieves bloating. Act has a natural remedy for sore throat and cough. Ginger is used in tea, cookies, pickles, sauces, etc. Ginger oil is used in aromatherapy and ginger is used in Ayurveda and traditional medicine. Mango. Mango is considered as the king of fruits. Mango is rich in beta carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A for good eyesight, healthy skin, strengthening the immune system. It also contains vitamin C and E, antioxidants, fiber, and natural sugar. Mangoes are famous for their sweet, juicy, and rich flavor. In India, mangoes are considered as sacred and are used in festivals, rituals, and art. Mango leaves are good for teeth and gums, and also leaves are used in traditional medicine for diabetes and respiratory problem. Sheep are best known for their wool, which is used to make clothing, blanket, and carpets. Sheep meat is used as food. Sheep milk is used to make cheese, yogurt, and butter. Sheep help in weed control and used in some areas for grazing grasslands and keeping landscapes clear, especially in fire-prone areas. Sheep droppings are good source of natural fertilizer that improves soil fertility. Bivalves such as clams, oyster, mussel, and scallops are mollusks with two hinged shells. They are useful in many ways to humans and ecosystem. Bivalves filter water to feed, which helps clean and improve water quality in oceans, lakes, and rivers. Pearl production. Some bivalves, especially pearl oysters, produce natural and cultured pearls used in jewelry. Their shells are used in decorative items, souvenirs, and even crushed for lime in construction and agriculture. Shark liver oil is obtained from the shark. Sharks are apex predator and help control the population of other marine species, keeping ecosystem balanced. Shark meat is used as food. Shark liver oil rich in vitamin A and D, used in cosmetics, health supplements and lubricants. Shark skin used as leather, belts and shoes. Mice. Medical research. Mice are used to study human diseases like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Genetics. They help scientists understand how genes work. Drug testing. New medicines are tested on mice before being used in humans. Used in biology and anatomy classes to teach about body systems. Wild mice can sometimes be pets in controlled environment. They are used to study crop protection methods. Earthworms eat dead plant material and convert it into nutrient-rich castings which contain nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and other nutrients essential for plant growth. Earthworms help break down organic matter like leaves, food waste and compost. This process is called vermicomposting. Turns waste into rich compost for gardens and farms. Therefore, they are considered as friends of farmers. Bees transfer pollen from flower to flower, helping plants to produce fruits, seeds, vegetables. Crops like apples, berries, almonds, sunflower dependent fully on bee pollination. Bees are sensitive to pollution and environmental changes, so their health reflects ecosystem well-being. Honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into honey. Honey can be used in confectionery and as medicine. Dog is a loyal and faithful animal. Dog guards the house and properties of its owner. Used by police and military for detecting explosives, drugs and criminals. Some dogs are trained to detect diseases like cancer or low blood sugar in diabetics by smell.